Okay, on your scope there's a trigger. A trigger is the point where the scope will start tracing the pattern for you and displaying on the scope. A trigger can be utilized from any one channel being displayed or from the auxiliary secondary ignition adapter. Look right here on the right. You see this? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 displays, or 6, you want to go that way, to set the trigger. You go out to cylinder 1, 2, 3, or 4. If you have secondary ignition, pick a cylinder. None is free run. Free run means it's going across the screen at free will. And auto. Auto is when the actual scope automatically sets the trigger for you. Here's a hint. When you first set up a scope, don't select the trigger. Let the machine select the trigger for you in most cases. Okay, there are some times you want to set the trigger yourself where you get more advanced at it. So trigger is the point is when the scope starts drawing a picture. And sometimes you may not even get a picture. You got the triggers off. That's why I said let the machine set it for you automatically. Till you come advanced with it, then you can set your own trigger. One thing I want you to look at also. You see this little symbol right here? That's right, this one right here. That's slope. A trigger is when you start drawing a picture. A slope means you're going to draw either positive or negative. In this case right here, it's a negative slope. You see right here, it's going to start drawing on this drop. So in this case here, that like is about 3 volts. So this scope is set up as a 3 volt negative slope. So on a downward slope or the downward drawing on this picture, once it passes 3 volts, it'll start drawing the picture. Slope is the direction in which a trace begins, positive or rising slope, negative or falling slope. Now guess which one this is, positive or negative. Let me give you like 5 seconds to figure that out. And you can see it's a little different from this one versus this one. What's the slope on this? This is a positive slope. You can see it's going up. So this slope is set on the positive side or rising edge. Remember, you see this right here? I forgot to say. It's a positive slope versus the negative slope. Negative means it draws downward. Positive means it draws upward. Alright, so remember that. So you get a nice steady picture so you can see it. You want to set up your trigger and your slope correctly. Alright, let's go to the next one.